If you've ever explored Photoshop's layer styles, you've probably come across inner glow and wondered what it does. Although it's called an inner glow, this effect isn't just for creating glowing objects. It's a versatile tool that can add soft lighting, depth, highlights, shadows, and subtle edge effects to text, shapes, and images. Whether you're designing logos, buttons, icons, or creative artwork, understanding how inner glow works can help make your designs look more polished and professional. To use Inner Glow, select the layer you want to edit. Then either double-click the layer or right-click it and choose Blending options. In the Layer Style window, enable Inner Glow from the list on the left. You'll immediately see the effect applied to your selected layer. The first setting to adjust is the Blend mode, which determines how the glow interacts with the layer. For example, Screen creates a bright glowing effect, while Multiply can create soft inner shadows instead. Next, choose the color of your glow. White or light colors work well for highlights, while darker colors can add depth and shading. You can then adjust the opacity slider to control how visible the glow appears. The noise setting adds texture to the effect, making it look rougher or more organic. The technique option lets you choose between softer for smooth transitions or precise for sharper edges. Increase the source setting to decide whether the glow starts from the edge of the object or the center, depending on the style you're trying to create. The choke slider controls how solid the glow appears near the edge, while size determines how far the glow spreads inward. Finally, fine-tune the contour and range settings to shape how the glow fades, giving you complete control over the final look. Experimenting with these settings can produce everything from subtle highlights to dramatic lighting effects. Inner Glow is especially useful for creating realistic buttons, illuminated text, glass effects, metallic surfaces, and soft shadows without permanently changing your original layer. Because layer styles are non-destructive, you can always reopen the settings and make adjustments at any time. That's it. Once you understand how each inner glow setting affects your design, you'll be able to create cleaner, more professional-looking graphics with ease. Thanks for following this tutorial, and be sure to check out more Photoshop tips and tricks to continue improving your editing skills.